Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you a delicious recipe. This is potato porridge made with potatoes. The same potatoes you use for your french fries, your chips, and yeah, let's get started. So I am going to be using chicken for protein. It is well cleaned. I have here my potatoes. I have here some mixed vegetables. I have onion. I have here some chili peppers, parsley, and this leftover sausage I had in my fridge. I just decided to use it. And I also have here some garlic cloves. To season the chicken, I add in cumin seed powder, cinnamon powder, chili pepper powder, seasoning powder, and I went ahead to stir that in. I am going to be marinating this chicken for about 20 minutes, so I'll mix it up. And also added in some soy sauce. That should be about 2 spoons, and I went ahead to stir that in. I add in some chopped onion, and I went ahead to stir that in. And covered my pot and let it sit and marinate for 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes already. My chicken is all marinated. I added some water, and I went ahead to stir that in. And I cover it up and start cooking my chicken. While that is cooking, I went ahead to prep other ingredients. I started with my potatoes and sliced them into cubes like so. Then I checked my chicken. It was almost done, like half done, and I have all my ingredients prepped: my onions, the sausage, the parsley, the peppers. And my chicken was right at the point where I wanted it. I added in the potatoes, added in some water, almost covering the potatoes. You know, I'm going to be making porridge, but I don't want it flooded. So yeah, you have to be careful the consistency of water you add in. I added my salt to taste. Here the potato was half done already, and I stirred to mix everything together, and I added in a tablespoon of oil. I used red palm oil and also vegetable oil, and I stir. The palm oil and vegetable oil mix give it this fine color. And I added in my mixed vegetables and gave it a good stir. If you've watched up to this point and you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, go ahead and do that right now. It's time to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. And I added in the chopped onion, the minced garlic, the chopped pepper, the chopped sausage, and I gave it a good stir to mix everything together. Look at that color, beautiful. Just look at that. And the aroma. I added in some salt, more seasoning powder, and stir that in. If you love what you're seeing, give this video a thumbs up. And I went ahead to add my parsley, and I stir that in and let it sit for just 2 more minutes. And my potato porridge is ready. Guys, just look at this deliciousness. I went ahead to serve. Guys, this was so delicious. Like, my husband ate I finished this whole plate. This was his I was serving, and he asked for more to show you how delicious this was. I just decided to give it a try. Like, I've never made porridge with potatoes, but I was just like, okay, let me try this. My son might like it, and it was delicious. I loved it. My son loved it. My husband loved it, and I enjoyed every bit of it. You too should go try it out. Subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and remember to give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.